y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video. It's my very first review, so Saviland sent me this kit for me to review for you guys. This is the clear acrylic kit that they sent me. So the first thing it comes with is the monomer, which is really strong, but it's nice. Then it comes with natural tips. It comes with the clear acrylic powder. Then it comes with the handy dandy instruction. It comes with this dispense thing for the acrylic powder and the monomer. Then it comes with a really nice amount of nail forms, which is really nice. Then it comes with the acrylic brush. So today I'm going to be doing this nail set on my sister. So as you can see, she has like a lot of like old nails on because she's really lazy and doesn't want to take it off. But I'm going to start off by cleaning the nail surface with some alcohol. Then I'm going to start off by pushing back the cuticles, but you have to be really gentle with this part because some people are like really sensitive and it can hurt them, so you gotta be really gentle. And I'm gonna go in with these two cuticle bits so I can remove the dry and old cuticles that's still on the nail bed. Now I'm gonna start cutting off the cuticles. Now I'm trying to take off like the excess nail that was left on the nail, and I'm gonna start filing that off with the nail drill. Now I'm gonna start cutting the natural growth of the nails because her nails kind of grew. And I'm gonna take the file and I'm just gonna smoothen that out. Now I'm gonna take my KDS glue and my nail tips, and I'm gonna glue on all the nail tips onto her fingers. Now I'm going to take my tip cutters and I'm just going to cut the tips off. She wanted her nails really short because she plays like basketball, so she doesn't want like long nails like to like affect her basketball, so I wanted them to be a little longer so I'd have room for like more designs and stuff, but this was her preference. Now I'm gonna start cutting off like the edges, the excess edges, so I could kind of make like a shape out of these. They're kind of short, so it's kind of hard to make a shape out of these, but I tried my best. Now I'm gonna start shaping them a little bit and getting the shape a little bit more crisp before I start applying the acrylic. I'm going to take my drill and I'm just going to blend the natural nail with the nail tip. I'm going to take my dehydrator and I'm going to apply that to all the nails. And I'm going to take my primer and I'm going to put one coat of that onto all the nails. So right now I'm just, feeling the texture of this, but this is this pretty glitter that I'm applying to like a small portion of the clear acrylic because I'm trying to make like an ombre kind of look. I didn't really know what I was going for, but I kind of did at the same time. So I'm just mixing that together right now. And I'm gonna pour the monomer in this dispense thing that they sent me, and I'm gonna take the brush that they sent me. So now this brush was really weird because it really couldn't mold into like a specific shape. It just stayed in one shape the whole time, so it was really hard to like clean out the cuticles and stuff, but it worked out. So right now I'm just applying the first bead, which is the glitter bead. I'm just going to be applying that to the tip of the nail. So this brush made it kind of hard to like apply it, and I don't know, it was just really weird, this brush. I never had like a good acrylic brush before, so I don't know how it's supposed to really feel, but this brush, I don't know about this brush. Everything that I use is also going to be linked in the description, so if you want to get any of this, you can. But now I'm going to be taking like a gel color from another kit, and I'm going to be applying that to the monomer, and I'm just going to be mixing that and creating like own little color. I'm going to be dipping that into the clear acrylic, and then I'm going to be putting that onto the nail. So right now I'm applying the cuticle beads, and it was not that easy for me. It was kind of hard. So acrylic is way different than polygel. Polygel, you have time because it doesn't run away, but acrylic, you have to move way faster because acrylic is really fast with you. Like you can't take your time with acrylic, but on polygel you can because it doesn't really go anywhere. But at the same time, I was trying not to flood the cuticles because that causes lifting. So now I'm encapsulating the nails with just some regular clear acrylic because since this is kind of an ombre, I don't want to file off the blend that I made, which you can't really tell, but I still did it just in case. Making sure to clean off the cuticles so I don't flood the cuticles. So now I'm going to take my drill and I'm just going to be trying to blend the cuticles in so that it causes less lifting. And I'm going to be trying to take off like the bulk of the nail, because since these are short, they don't really need to have an apex, because these are really short nails, so they don't really need to have apex. Overall, it wasn't that bad. It was just the fact that the brush was like not even able to mold. It was just staying in one spot the whole time, so that was really hard. But other than that, I really like the a clear acrylic. It's really nice. I do recommend this for beginners, but I don't recommend the brush. So right now I'm filing off the nails, trying to crispen the shape up to make the shape look a little better, because since I applied the acrylic, the shape just kind of disoriented. Guys, don't mind my thumbnail. That nail broke off. It actually really hurt, and I'm sorry I couldn't find a band-aid at least to like cover it up, so just don't mind it. So these are the nails shaped, filed, and buffed, and she just washed her hands off. Now I'm going to take this base coat from another kit, and I'm just going to be using that as my glue for my bling. And I'll be taking my wax pencil, and I'm just going to be applying the bling. Everything will be linked in the description, guys. Also, use the code that's on the screen to get 20% off your order. Now I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds, and I'm going to move on to the other nails. I was just going to do one finger, but then I thought that was boring, so I just put one rhinestone on the other fingers. Now I'm going to be taking the Saviland top coat, and I'm going to be applying that to all the nails. I'm going to be applying a generous amount because top coat, I just love top coat. It just finishes it all off. Now I'm going to be curing that in my nail lamp for about 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be taking my cuticle oil, and I'm just going to be applying that to these dry hands, because these hands were really dry. So these are the finished nails, you guys. These nails were pretty easy to do. I'm pretty sure that they took like less than an hour. They were really, really nice to do. Nice simple look. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.